and welcome to the video. In this video I'm going to teach you how to make this tea. Okay guys? First thing, you definitely need a cup and these. First thing you need to do, fill your cup up with water. So I'll see you after the glass. I fill the glass up, and the next thing you need to do is put it in the microwave. Okay guys? After you have heated up your water, you take one of your dips out of the bag. Okay guys, take a dip out of the bag and put it in your cup. Okay guys? And you're seeing it getting green, you know it's done. You can leave it in if you want it more tasty. And that's it for the video. No, that's it for the video. My friends want to show you something how to, one of my friends, Vachan, wants to show how to make boost milk. So let me play that quickly. Vachan wanted to show you how to make.
Hey guys, my name is Vachan and I have my own YouTube channel. Please check it out. Today I'm going to show you how to make a boost. So guys, you need one glass. Guys, 1 minute, I'll go bring you milk. And I have some milk here. Guys, how much of a big glass is it? That much of more milk.
Guys, he said don't put it completely. Don't put it completely in the glass.
Guys, I hope you can see this. Oh, this much is enough. Now, I hope you can see me, guys. And you need some sugar. So, guys, this sugar fell down. So, I'm just going to clean it before the ants come. I make every day, so I'm very quick. Put one teaspoon. If you have this much, guys, put 1 spoon of these. If you have this much,
Half the spoon of that you put.
Don't mind about that, guys. Concentrate. I have some boost here. Sorry, I put it in Horlicks, but this is boost. Just boost, guys. I got one container, so just 1 spoon. If you have big spoon, don't do this much. This don't put so much. So after putting it, guys, I'm just cleaning the sugar. You don't need to act like this. Just I'm cleaning the sugar. So, next step, guys. Sorry, guys, I'm going to cook. Yep. I just on the microwave oven. Now I have the oven ready here. I have the oven ready here. I'm placing it here, guys. Look, guys, I placed it here.
Put it in the microwave, guys. Put it for 40
So,
seconds.
guys, I'm waiting until it is.
Guys, 1 second.
Rohan,
Vachan, I am still showing the video.
waiting until it's Rohan. Actually, my friend Rohan want to leave if you don't talk. And I also have a YouTube channel.
Vachan.
I want to leave the call if you don't talk. The channel name is Vachan Hands Cooks. So guys, please check out.
1 second, guys. I'll show you this. 1 second. We're cleaning out the sugar now.
My video and John's video and subscribe to John's video also, guys. Okay, guys. Now the boost is ready. Now I'm going to open it. Guys, it's ready. Oh, it's hot. It's hot. It's super hot, guys. So, guys, now I'm going to close it. I have a spoon.
We're stirring through the
Stir.
spoon.
Well, I'm stirring it.
And then your boost will be ready, guys.
So guys, that is it.
Now your boost is ready. And this is what Vachan has to show you. Okay, guys?